And being that I coach thousands of people at this point, I already understand the biggest excuses that some of y'all make.
I'm shadow banned. My friends and family be hating on me. I don't have the perfect aesthetic. I don't know what to post. I don't know my niche.
You're literally full of excuses. That's what you are. A lot of people don't like realness. They don't like rawness, but that's all I know how to be. You're not shadow banned. If your content was so good that people couldn't ignore it, it would do numbers.
Persian love, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time?
Okay, y'all, so this video was highly requested because you guys know I am the #1 social media growth coach on the planet right now. Like, there's a lot of people cosplaying coaches, mentors, or pretending that they could grow accounts because they go viral, but you personally have never seen anybody with your 2 eyes help this many people go viral. Like, my student right here, she literally had 1,000 followers when she got started with me. We got her to literally almost 30,000 followers on Faces content, all viral reels, constantly back to back. I have another student who I started with 1,000 followers. She's now at 50K and bunch of viral content. Then I have another student who has just 1,000 followers, a bunch of viral reels, right? I have another student with 3,000 followers, a bunch of viral reels. And I could literally do this for an hour. I could do this for an hour. So a lot of people are not who they say they are because, you guys, I literally mastered viral content. You can see it right here. There's no other coach also on the planet who can average over 100,000 views per reel and turn that reel and piece of content into cash. Nobody else. I even did the same thing on TikTok. Took my talents right over to TikTok. Only have about 7K going viral, getting sales. Yeah, so if you don't get it by now, there's not another me. And as of right now, I'm about to just give you free game. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not, none of that. I'm just trying to give you some real tea. So I'm gonna be real with you. If I wanted to be a content creator in the next 30 days, or if I wanted to be a content creator in 2026, this is exactly what I would do. Because a lot of you guys, the truth is you're just full with 1,000,001 excuses. That's literally all it is. And being that I coach thousands of people at this point, I already understand the biggest excuses that some of y'all make.
I'm shadow banned. My friends and family be hating on me. I don't have the perfect aesthetic. I don't know what to post. I don't know my niche.
You're literally full of excuses. That's what you are. A lot of people don't like realness. They don't like rawness, but that's all I know how to be. You're not shadow banned. If your content was so good that people couldn't ignore it, it would do numbers. I have a student with 700 followers who got 100K per video. No, but you're not shadow banned. Nobody's hating. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing and you're full of excuses. Then we have people say, oh, I don't have the perfect aesthetic. That my student, we can't even see her. We can't even see the background. We don't see a condo. We don't see, and a lot of people be trying to be funny like, oh, well, I don't have the perfect background. I don't have the perfect body. Oh, it's because you got your body done. It's because you, just keep it above. You full of excuses. Just be real. So now that you understand, this is the biggest time to be a content creator in 2026. Y'all, there's user-generated content where you can literally use AI to create high-quality videos for you. You can do completely faceless content and create high-quality videos for brands, for companies, for your own product or service. There's no better time right now to have a phone in your hand and make money from it. So all I know, if you have a phone and you got some internet and you got a phone service, you watching this. I know you got some Wi-Fi, I know you got something. This is the time. And I'm about to show you exactly how I personally will become a content creator if I were you in 2026. But no, I don't care where you are, whether you got money, whether you don't got money, whether you got a nice body, whether you don't, whatever excuses you have, they could go out the window. And the #1 way that I would grow a page right now is with short form content. Like YouTube videos is cool, but it's really hard to get people to watch long form content right now. And you guys can do this with your own content. You could do this filming with a phone and I teach you exactly how to film and edit, or you could literally use AI. There's so many AI creators and AI products making a killing right now. Like, look at this AI video. This is generated by AI. It's viral. It's going crazy and it's selling products. So there's a platform called Create UGC. And if you've never heard of it, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you do this. But Create UGC is literally perfect if you are a creator, if you want to get brand deals, if you have your own product or service that you don't want to film for. You don't even need influencers. You can literally use Create UGC to create high quality viral ads that literally will run on autopilot for you, sell your product, services. If you're a drop shipper, whatever you're trying to do, Create UGC can literally create user-generated content for you using the power of AI. And I'm about to show you how to do this. It's crazy. Okay, y'all. So we are going to be using a platform called Create UGC. And this platform is crazy because it allows you to utilize AI to create high quality AI generated ads, things that you can run as ads on Facebook, Meta. You could post these on TikTok Shop, on Instagram. You could use this to get brand deals. You could use this to promote your own product or service. So let me just show y'all how crazy this is, right? So if you guys don't know, when you go to TikTok, MetaCube is making a killing. All these people that you see up here, they're literally getting paid and getting commissions for all these videos. And I've been on TikTok Shop, right? Posting, making videos, but you could create AI generated videos and literally be running up a bag posting every single day. So let me just show y'all. Literally, I created this AI avatar, right? And we're just gonna watch this. Let me show y'all.
Experience real results with MetaCube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. Clinically proven to hydrate, firm, and brighten with salmon DNA, peptides, and niacinamide. Gentle for all skin types. Reveal your healthiest glow. Order yours today.
This is crazy. And I'm about to walk y'all through exactly how I was able to do this. Even look at this creator that I created. Watch this. This is wild, y'all. And it looks so real.
Chapped lips, not today. This gloss makes mine juicy. Go grab it now.
So do you see how you could be making these videos? You can change up the scripts. You could do all of this stuff and be running it as ads. Again, you could be posting it on TikTok Shop, Instagram, getting commissions, having this on your Amazon storefront. It is crazy. So let me just walk y'all through exactly how you would do this. So the first thing you would want to do is provide a product link, right? And you can get a product link from Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, and this is perfect because if you're a person that's starting a business or a brand, and let's say you're trying to buy some lashes, some gloss, and you don't have inventory on hand, you can literally start creating videos, right? And just make a killing and have ads to work with. Or you could literally choose products like MetaCube and things that you know are already working and create a whole bunch of ads with these products. So let me just show y'all. So you would paste the link, right? And once you paste the link, you could choose the type of videos that you want. So a video reaction where the product is just in the video, or you could do a product in hand. The choice is yours. I like the product in hand because it feels more real, feels more organic. It's going to get all the details on the product and they're going to ask you what image do you want to use in the video. I'm going to choose this one. Then you can choose your avatar and they have so many options, men, women, any type of avatar that you want to choose. Then they have different voices that you can choose from, different tones, different accents.
Welcome to Create UGC app, the #1 place for creation of UGC content.
And then next thing we're going to do is generate scripts. And with these scripts, guys, you can use the exact script from a viral video that someone used, or they even give you scripts already. But if you want it to sound more like you, more like a top creator, you can literally edit the script and create something just more on brand. Next we're going to do is hit generate and we're going to see how this comes out. When we use this product in hand cling, this is the highest quality, most realistic AI video. So let's use that one, right? Y'all, let's look at how realistic this AI creator looks.
So I tried the MetaCube Booster Pro and now my skin is shinier than my phone screen. If you want that real glass glow, grab it now.
Like, come on now. That's fire. And imagine just posting these, getting a whole bunch of commission. And this is why 2026 is the easiest time to be a content creator. You don't even gotta film. You don't have to have any type of tech setup. You don't have to edit. You don't gotta come up with scripts. Everything is done for you. Okay, y'all. So y'all saw how crazy that was. And I'm gonna tell you why this even matters in 2026. What's even going on? This matters big time. Like, I was a person who really didn't want to get into the AI stuff, but it's like I was forced to. And there's so much quality content going on with AI. Like, look at these ads that you could create for brands utilizing AI. Like, this is so important because you save money on production. You save money on freaking hiring influencers. You save money and time on yourself. Like, AI can generate high quality ads for your business, high quality videos, still images. All of this could be completely done for you. And it's so important to scale your time, scale marketing dollars when you have a product, service, or you're even trying to get brand deals. And some people really do not have the resources to create high production videos and don't have the budget, but you can literally do this with AI. So I had to hop on this wave, had to do this, and I had to show show you exactly how to do this, especially since I have students in my high ticket mentorship who is actually implementing this right now. Listen, this is for anybody. If you want to create affiliate videos, you're trying to make high quality videos on Instagram, on TikTok, you're trying to create a faceless page, you're trying to sell products and services, you're trying to work with brands, you need to tap in on this. Even if you post your own videos, you still got to tap in with this. I'm not even gonna lie. You can start a faceless page, start running it up, selling products, TikTok shop. It's like it's endless right now the way you can run up a bag in 2026 off a phone. It's crazy. Now let's say you want to create high quality videos like me, right? And with this instance, I love to use the newest iPhone to film if you're gonna do your own raw videos. And then if you want to learn exactly how to edit step by step, I will link my tutorial down below. But make sure, guys, when you edit, you want to create high level videos, just look at how simple and to the point this video is, right? And lighting is so important. You always want to make sure you have as much lighting as possible. I keep telling y'all, like, I even literally switch up film days when it's not sunny enough, when it's not bright enough. So I use a lot of natural lighting, and then I also use panel lighting. So I'm going to actually show you guys the lights I use. These panel lights elevate content. They elevate content clarity. So if you want to film and edit your own high level videos, you need the right lighting and you need the right phone. But if you don't want to invest in all of that, you don't have time, this is where AI comes in. Another important thing, if you want to create content, guys, you want to create content that gives value or solves a problem, right? Especially if you want to create content that converts into dollars. Like, yes, you could create viral videos, dancing. You could make viral videos up there chatting, making people laugh. Is your content converting into cash? And there is just a lot of coaches that like to say, oh, well, viral content does not make you money. You have to talk to your audience. If you talking and the shit it's not getting no views, not making no money, then what is it really doing? Because I have videos where I'm not saying a word, but it got 19,000 comments, but intent buyers. People actually commenting to buy. Because I've crafted something so amazing of a product that it works. Then we see it on an organic video that I filmed and edited, and then we actually see it on an AI generated video. Not saying a word, it's crazy. So there's just so much that you could do here. So now that you understand all those lies that you might be telling yourself, I'm going to tell you right now your next step and what you need to do. So in the next 30 days, I need you to figure out what your niche is. Because a lot of y'all do be all over the place. When I first started out my page, I had no idea that you guys were going to turn me into a freaking home decor creator. That was never a part of my plan. I never wanted to be that, but I am really good at interior design. I am good at really styling homes, but I didn't ask to be that. But the people chose, and these videos get millions of views, 19,000 comments, and they're selling products on autopilot. So I want you to pick a profitable niche. There's so many profitable niches. You could do beauty, you could do skincare, you could do fashion, you could do lifestyle, like you could do home decor. There's so many niches that you can do, but I need you to pick a profitable one that actually brings revenue in. And how do you find your niche? How do I find my niche? You need to find out what actually interests you. What do you actually enjoy doing so that content can feel like a second, like this is nothing, this is not a job. And for example, I love decorating my home. I love the luxury home decor. I love my home. So me styling my bedroom, me, redoing my kitchen or redoing my bathroom, this is easy to turn the camera on because I genuinely enjoy doing that. When you try that, right, if the audience doesn't really resonate with it, sometimes you got to pivot and say, hey, let me try cooking, and the audience kind of chooses what your niche is going to be. So you should have your top 3 interests, top 3 things that you might be good at, things that you love, and you need to actually try these out when you're starting. Like, for example, I have a student who, she didn't know her niche, and we didn't know either. We was all over the place, but she has 700 followers. She started doing cooking content, and she has 700 followers with views at 100,000 plus. So now we know cooking just needs to be her lane, and cooking is so profitable. You can promote products, services, kitchenware, like there's just so many ways to get a bag. My first thing that you need to do is find 3 profitable niches that you can start testing with, that you can start experimenting with, and the audience is going to tell you what your niche is going to be, baby. They're going to really make the final say, but this is how you do it. And listen, we don't need, everything is not content. We don't need to see everything. Can this piece of product, could it make you money? Could it sell? Could it get a brand deal? Could it sell out a service? Could it sell out a product? If yes, then that's what we need to do. So after you have your niche, I need you to tighten up your page. So look at my profile. My profile looks top tier. You know exactly who I am based on my bio. Look at my highlights. Everything is top tier. Top tier. Top tier. And in my program, I give you bio, templates. I help you with your highlight covers, all that. But if you could just look at my page, look at this. It looks established. It looks like I know what I'm doing. So yeah, y'all just got so much free game on how to stop playing the key fundamentals that you can start using right now with the power of AI, with your own phone, with your own lighting, own products, how to redo your page. I gave you a lot of free game here. So the goal is really just to get started. There's no need to be full of excuses. Like at this point, I need to know what else could your excuse possibly be, right? I literally gave you free game on how I get my videos so crisp, so high quality, gave you the editing link down below. Then let's say if you don't want to do all that and you want AI to do it for you, I literally just showed you how to do that. So what would be your reason for not getting paid brand deals? What would be your reason for not creating content to sell your product or service? Because if you think that you could get by right now without selling, like using content to sell, I don't know what to tell you. Like every TikTok shop business is gonna outdo you. Every influencer is gonna outdo you. If you're not showing up from that phone, like you just gonna have to keep clocking in, keep doing things that you don't love, and just watch it. All these people make money from the internet. I'm not the person telling you, oh, quit your job, be a content creator. But what I will say is I don't want you just sitting on the sidelines just watching YouTubers and watching people all day. You could be using your phone to run up a bag. Like this, I don't think you understand. And like I said, I was you for a long time. Like I've been making money on Instagram, but then I was like, oh, it's TikTok. I don't know. I don't really like TikTok. When I see all them people making money, I said, nah, I gotta get on there. And I got on there, y'all. And I'm really wilding. I'm running up thousands of dollars. And I've only been on TikTok shop for like 2 weeks. I already have viral videos with under 10,000 followers, guys. Under 10,000 followers. This is proof, because I know you might be thinking, well, on your Instagram, you have 300K. So yeah, you could sell. What are you going to say about my TikTok? And you're letting me outdo you and outsell you. And you're also letting my students outdo you with AI. You're letting my students outdo you with high quality content. So y'all, I need you to tap in with this. Tap in. So click that link down below if you want to create UGC videos, get paid for those. Click the link down below if you want to learn how to edit. And honestly, both of these could go hand in hand. But I love y'all so much, and I hope that this helps you on your content journey. And y'all, we done making excuses in 2026. And I'll be dropping vlogs as well as educational content like this that can help you level up your business, your brand, your content, and free resources to put you on. So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian, yeah.